Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to redeem rewards on Starbucks. So if you also want to redeem rewards on Starbucks, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open the Starbucks application if you want. If you have opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in app.starbucks.com. After that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Starbucks. So from here, you'll be able to place an order for yourself. So if you want to redeem the rewards, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is go to the rewards section. Simply click on the account option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now over here, you'll be able to find several options. What you have to do is find the option for my rewards. After you find it, simply click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the rewards interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the reward status. You'll be able to see your star balance over here. So if you reach up to certain star points, you'll be able to get the rewards. Scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the rewards. For example, if you want 25 stars, you'll be able to customize your drink. So if you reach to the required number of stars, you'll be able to redeem the reward. It is actually very simple. All you have to do is find the option for reward over here. Once you find it, simply click on it. After that, you'll be able to redeem the reward in the application or browser. Or you can also redeem the rewards in store if you want. What you can do is visit the store of your choice. After that, what you have to do is scan your Starbucks rewards account in the Starbucks app or your registered Starbucks card at the cashier. Make sure to tell the barista the name of the reward you want to redeem. After that, you'll be able to redeem the rewards in store. So that is how you redeem rewards on Starbucks. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.